Share ko lang, hindi porket okay ka ngayon, okay ka na forever. Healing is not linear. May days na strong ka, may days na bigla ka nalang iiyak and magbe-breakdown. And that doesn't mean na nag-umpisa ka ulit sa simula. Real talk, healing is messy. Minsan akala mo healed ka na, pero isang alaala lang, isang message lang, at isang kanta lang, boom, masakit na naman. But listen to this, that pain is not proof of failure. It's proof na tao ka. And stop pressuring yourself to move on fast. Hindi ka talo, hindi ka late, at hindi ka weak. You're just healing at your own pace lang. Sa relationship, may mga sugat talaga na hindi agad-agad nawawala. Pero the moment na pinipilit mo pa rin bumangon, kahit masakit, kahit nakakalugmok, at kahit feeling mo na hindi mo na kaya, pero bumabangon ka pa rin, tandaan mo, that's progress. Healing is not about never hurting again. It's about learning how to stand up, look up, kahit alam mo masakit. And one day, gigising ka na lang at marirealize mo na hindi na pala siya ganun kasakit tulad ng dati. So trust the process always. Even on the days na feeling mo wala kang progress, you're still moving forward.